Hi guys, it's Sandy here. If you're new here, I am a South African beauty and lifestyle YouTuber and I try to post new videos every week, so do make sure to subscribe if you aren't. So I'm finally trying the viral Mexican candy trend with the Chamoy and Tajin. So I ordered like these two DIY Mexican candy thingies from a South African store called Chamoy Treats SA. I will put a link down below in the description. Then like each set I guess comes with like the little container of the chamoy, and when you open the little container you get the sweets. By the looks of it, these aren't like your normal sweets you get here. I think these might be imported sweets as well. You also get your little packet of the Tajin. I would have loved to buy big containers of these things, but it's like literally sold out everywhere. So this one is sour sweets and this one is sweet sweets. And then I also just added this to my cart as well because they were selling it. It's these pencil sweets thingies. They were like 15 rand each, so why not? Let's do the thing. Let's do the DIY-ing. Open the little sauce. Ooh, it's watery. So I'm just gonna pour all of it in there. I'm gonna do that's missing. I'm gonna do, yeah, just gonna do all of the spice. And with a little plastic spoon to mix it with. So let's just give it a good old mix. Oh, that actually smells nice. Huh. Ooh, that is a lot of sauce in here. I don't know which one to take. Let me do a sour worm first. Anyway. Wait. Oh, wait. Okay. This is a peach fizz ring, I think. I need to taste more. Oh my word. Wait, I need to taste, what does the sauce taste like on its own though? Because, sweet. Yeah, sweet, spicy. Almost apricot-y. I was expecting this to taste like salt and masala. But it's not at all. It's got a sweet apricot-y taste and it complements the sour sweet so well. Let me taste one of these like raspberry snakes. I'm just gonna have like a piece of it. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. You know what? I actually might just eat the whole thing. Oh, I'm so happy I bought 2 containers. Because I saw people making videos, they were like, oh, it's so good, they wish they bought more than 1 container. And I'm like, yeah, I bought more than 1. But now I actually wish I bought more than 2 containers. Is this me being greedy? Doing the sweet mix now. So we're just gonna add in the chamoy. Don't be shy. I really like the separate container idea, and I really think it contributes to the sweets tasting so nice and fresh. And then we're just gonna add all of that. It makes it fun as well, you know, you get to like do this little mixing thing. Oof. Usually I buy things and I eat them once off for a video and then never again, but this is something that I would love to frequently eat. It's just such a nice taste and it doesn't upset my stomach. I wonder, how do I store this? I feel like this should be kept in the fridge. I'm gonna have this. I think this is, I don't know what this is. Maybe the thing that was smelling like cherry. Oh, it's soft. The sweet mix is nice, but I actually prefer the sour mix. And this isn't bad, it's nice, but I think the sour-sweet combo is just amazing. Am I gonna be committed enough to eat a whole lip now? Oh no. still prefer the sour mix. 100% recommend the sour mix. But when I ordered, I told her she can like literally put any sweets that she wants to. And then I see she separated sweet and sour, which is cool because now I, know what both options taste like. And let me open these. Maybe we can like dip it in there as well. Okay, these red ones are sour. Just broke a little piece. Oh, this is a nice sweet. That is really nice. I'm gonna dip it in here. Just like that. That's nice. You know what? I'm probably gonna finish eating all of this by the end of today because I absolutely love sweets, eh? Oh! This one is sweet. This is completely sweet. So I'm gonna just dip it in this one that has the sweet mix. I definitely prefer the sour mix. Wish she sold like bigger containers. I need this in bulk. This is getting finished so quick. So sad. I'm living my best life. I love this thing more than the syrup lemons. I only ever ate the syrup lemons for that video and then I never ate them again. It's still sitting in my fridge. It's so sour but sweet and spicy. My taste buds are so confused, but in a happy way. And that is it for today's video. I had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you can get your hands on the Mexican candy stuff, like just do it. It's a fun experience and it's really tasty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. Now I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!